Hi everyone and welcome once again to my channel. This is going to be a quick unboxing of the new camera that I just bought, the Sony ZV-1. So better late than never. So I finally got it, and henceforth I'll be using this camera for my videos for the YouTube. So let's get right into it. So you get yourself this nice compact camera, and oh, there's just a empty piece of paper. Alright, so the camera, the shooting grip, and this one is to protect the audio from unnecessary external noise. A lot of paperwork, a lot of manuals. A lot of different languages. Okay. Got another one here. Just like this. Then you've got yourself a micro USB cable. Then battery. And BX1. The camera. is there, and you got the carry case as well as a battery to power this. Okay, anything else? And a lot of documentation for this product as well. So that's it. Maybe I will make another video later on, but actually so that's the quick unboxing. All right, and hopefully you get to see quickly what are the items involved. I'll put it again here. You have the camera grip, the main guy, the battery, and two of these items here, the micro USB cable, then the carry case for the grip along with the battery for the grip. Let me take it out. All right, folks, that's it for today. Have a good day.